Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the new best online earning platform, and we have discussed in this website now, and this is a very mission and very interesting platform now we have discussed in this website. So guys, first and all, I am telling you this is my YouTube channel, and you see here that now this is my best YouTube channel. You get the more information and more advantages in this crypto sites now in every weeks, every months, and every day. And this is my channel YouTube. If you have don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and get the press the bell icon, press it, and get the more benefit, more advantages in this site now. So guys, first and all, I am telling you the website and time points. So this is a website now of the time 2 points leading the web3 revolution in a marketing and community and engagement. And this is the best project in the NFT and token history now, and 3 points. And this is one of the best leading web3 revolution marketing and community and engagement now. Experience the next evolution of the marketing, and when a real engagement is a reward, transparency is granted now. And you see here the now, and this is a community shows our future, the advertising and true points is a reflection now. And this is a get us started now and get the benefit is here now. So this is a advertisement platform now, and don't just looking is a wow is a very beautiful of the welcome our purify and watch short ads and get the benefits and real rewards now. And if you watch the show ads and get the real reward, this is a very simple, easiest and transformable now. And about a 2 now, and if we talking about the about of the 2 is inspiration of untouched clarity of anticipation and place where a purity of the transparency region all today's own world and the chocolate and advertising world now, where a consumer are constantly bombarded and with the noise and distribution and other irrelevant content, and the saw the urgent need of a change. And if you have the more engaging binding across innovation, our blockchain is a power of platform introduction, a regulatory way of the user interface and the brand. And every do you choose all was the transparently verified on a blockchain and ensuring the full of the accountability and trust now. In a return, user instantly reward the earning real world and benefits and digital collection now. So why blockchain matters for at a true point now? And this a true point is a trust, a transparency are not optional, that one is a build now. Here is what a blockchain enables a true point, that is why every interaction on our platform, from a view on ad to tracking the engagement, is powered by blockchain technology. With the blockchain at a core, the true points ensured fair the reward for a user and honest result for a brands. So verified ad engagement, every view, click and response is recorded on immutable and ledger now. And protection against fraud, no fake views, no bots, no inflexible member, just authentic engagement now. And the transparency of all both user bonds on again real time data without relying on a third party reports now. Why true points is a necessary, and because marketing should be a fun and memorable and chill, and verified engagement and instant reward, gamified viewing and true ownership and community driven now. How it works, and if you get the how it works and the output in a decide when it how the prefer to watch short videos during your spare moments, whether a community relaxing at home and waiting in line, and engaging watch advertise you view in a surely verified and transparently tracked using advanced blockchain and smart contract and technology. And earn you get the more earn and instantly with the valuable benefits from exclusive digital assets now. And this is a community of the true points, and this is a community of engagement of choice, voice of feedbacks, and advance of loyalty and empowered of ownership and global in inclusive from students in Tokyo, enterprises in New York, the commercial community in Mumbai, our community transaction border and everything. And this is our community of the headquarter and 3 points now. How NFT enable loyalty and access is a 2 point. If we are the you identify across the pass loyalty badge each hour, the platform holds a unique NFT reflection of the level and participation, contribution and trust within our 2 points now. Here what a NFT unlock the 2 points engagement tires, upgrade a memorable access the exclusive companies and ownership of the previews now and interactive advertising. This is interactive at blockchain discrepancy and transparency. Every view counts, verified engagement, data access for all participants, and eliminated a third party manipulation and brand benefit. And why brands love 3 points: verified reach, engagement, audience, higher retention, loyalty, and the action of the blockchain black analysis now. And this is a roadmap and the stage 4, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and everything is a stage now. And you can read here the past the now. And you this is a user benefit or control of the engagement and confirm the enjoyable ad friends now. And if you have the any questions, and mostly people ask frequently asked question, and what is the 2 points, who can join, and why should the brands of trust what are the benefit of a user, and every your frequently asked question is here now. So guys, this is today we have talking about the new project now or the 2 points, and you watch the ad and get the earning and get the benefit and engagement and loyal and very interesting website now. I hope so guys you like this video and share in the other social media platform, get the more benefit, more advantages in this website now.